Yo, so we still didn't get into our room, but we in a nice room and it's so cute. I can't wait to see mine, but we chilling right now because our room's not gonna be ready.
Hey, Tom, she didn't even tell us she was recording.
Yes, I did.
The big dime.
Tell him. Yeah.
Yeah. What about?
Okay. What about it? You ain't telling her shit. It's gonna be ready in 30 minutes, they said, but we've already been waiting for 30 minutes. So that's a whole hour we've been waiting for our room. And then to even check into the hotel already took 30 minutes. Like, it's crazy. Can we talk about the view from her room though? Like, this is not even my room and the view is so pretty. Look. Okay, bet. We got mama getting into it right now. Oh, wait, hold on. I gotta get you like this, how they be doing. Okay. So right now, we gonna get a drink. Cause you need to catch up. Purple wristband. Purple wristband. So we going to get a drink. So we going to get a drink. Look. This is not something that we talk about this weekend. I ain't gonna disclose her name. I won't disclose her name. But me and Trey going Big Purple. Trey, we going Big Purple.
Big purple.
We going Big Purple. We have other members who do not
want to be purple.
Read between the lines.
Wait, what is it for?
YouTube.
The sexy man alive. Wait a minute.
Oh.
I thought it was that. Like a mess stripper. It was a mess stripper shit. I don't see no one though.
Oh, we're getting some rum punch.
It was like last time.
Not her saying it was like
It wasn't doing what it was supposed to.
it wasn't giving.
It wasn't giving
She wants to get drunk.
Like a secret, so you feel wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back.
My channel? Let me show you. Okay.
He know what to do.
Y'all gotta stay tuned for the vacation vlog. Yes, say it again. Yes. Hey y'all, so we made it to the room. I'm finna show y'all. Finally, it's 5 o'clock and we literally landed at 12 something. And we're just not getting to our room. But I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a room tour. This is the first door. Walk-in closet. Then we have a mirror. We got 2 beds. We got our living room. And this is our porch, which is not better than Naya's, but it's still cute. The vibe is still gonna give each time. Show y'all the bathroom. I gotta figure out these braids situation, but this is the bathroom. Look at the tub. And then this is the toilet. Does it have the thing? Oh my gosh, this is to flush the toilet. And then this is the shower. Oh, the shower is nice. Okay. This is our mini bar. We got Coca-Cola, Sprite. What else is in here? We got, what's this? Orange soda? Yep. Orange bigger. We got Snickers, peanuts, and it's probably beer. Yeah, beer. And then waters. Okay, that's cute. I'm gonna talk to you guys when we're doing something. Probably the next thing we're gonna do is probably go get some food because we didn't end up going to get food. I mean, they did, but I didn't. And the buffet opens back up at 6 o'clock and it's like, what time is it? It's 5:12 right now, so I'm probably gonna, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna talk to you guys when I'm doing something else. And out of these same airport clothes, because my whole video I'm in these airport clothes, so see y'all later. Hey y'all, so it's later in the day and we're actually going to eat at the buffet because it's a buffet, but it's given restaurant. So we're going to eat there, but I just put on something quick because it's late, and I just put on something that like I wouldn't care if I don't get pictures in. It's 8:48 and we were supposed to all meet up at 8:30. Everyone's in different rooms and it's like all spread out. It's kind of scary, but I'm about to leave right now. So it's kind of dark here, but I got this dress. This dress is from Shein and I had it for a while. I just never wore it, and then I just got these sandals on, and then I just got this gold, so it's kind of like a gold vibe tonight. I'm trying to close my bag. I'm kind of giving gold tonight, and then I just got my regular necklaces on, and I got these hoops on, and then I got these for my bracelets. Yo, it's so scary. Like, she's not answering the phone. Y'all, I'm about to just walk to my cousin's house.
I don't care, y'all.
They answer the phone, y'all.
Y'all have to come to my room because we have to take some pictures in this back part back here before we leave.
Okay, that's fine.
What color are you guys
Ani,
wearing?
what's your number?
1836.
Are we in the little store that they have on the resort?
Nah, this is
It's like a liquor store.
They know people.
They got Tito's, and up here it's 18 plus, so we getting liquor the whole time we up here. But yeah, they got Tito's, they got Henny, but I don't drink. So I'm gonna see y'all when we actually get some food or something to eat.
I'll show you my YouTube tomorrow.
Wait, I don't know how to. You vlog?
Yeah. She's vlogging too. See her camera?
I'm trying to remember how to. Here, now y'all can see yourself. Let me get you. Okay, don't play with it.
So we're at the table. And
So we need to go pick our food because
we still sitting like somebody gonna bring us something.
Now girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Schengen on them. Now girl can't see me and cause problem. Them a man clowns and me walk on them. Me no love chat but me I want them. Tell them this a real Schengen on them.
Me too rich for argue with bitch. Me too nice for in a cockfight. Me too hot and I got.
Good morning, guys. It is 9:28. Leaving the hotel now to go get some breakfast. We actually woke up pretty early today. We woke up at like 8:15 to start the day, and we're all dressed. I got this. My whole outfit is from Shein, literally, from the top to the bottom to the purse, and then my accessories is not, but yes, it's beautiful outside. I still need to put some lotion on my feet because I forgot to do that. So it's kind of bright back here. So let me show y'all our view. This is once we walk out of our room. Each room got a different view. So I told y'all Naya's room had the pool view, but this is ours. And it's so pretty. We about to go get breakfast and we just about to start our day. We're gonna go to the pool after breakfast. We're gonna go to the beach. And yeah, we're gonna have outfit changes. I love it because we woke up to this morning. So it's just like, we really living the island. Good morning.
Good.
It's so pretty. And the lighting is this way. Boom, boom. But I'm gonna talk to you guys when we get to breakfast, because I gotta walk this way for the light. He said he wants to be on YouTube.
Good.
No, look, the light is this way. Nice light.
So what is the page?
Trinity Surrey.
You gotta find it.
Okay. Yeah, I'm showing him my YouTube. Look, it's like this.
Hold on.
We're putting it in.
It takes so long.
It's okay. Just screenshot that. Yeah, I got some pineapple juice. That's warm. Sausage, eggs, ackee, and saltfish. Excuse me. Is there where I can get a straw? Thank you. Y'all, these are the drinks we got. They're called Jamosas. Look, we got more. We just got a whole bunch of Jamosas. Ani got one too. Let's look at the food though. Your food looks bomb. Charms, that omelet looks amazing. Boom, 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 I'm done with my food. It's done for. I don't want anything. Yeah, we in the bathroom. I had to put this on because they told me I couldn't eat without covering. We're about to go to the beach and the pool. I don't know which one we're gonna go to, but we gotta do something. Yeah, me too. We gotta do something. My tripod is in my bag. Y'all, I'm gonna take a picture in this mirror and then get back to y'all when we are going to the pool or the beach. Oh, look at my drink. Which one? This one? Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, this is such a pretty picture. It's good. Now we gonna walk over to the beach area. Why we at the bar again, y'all? We at the bar again. Look at the water. The water is so pretty. We was just down there, but we left to come here. The bar. This is where we stay at.
Yeah, with the dad. Yup. Everybody want to say hey to Tran Vlog? Mama. And Tiana. Hey y'all, so we getting food right now, and this is what it's looking like. It's looking good. I feel like this is gonna be the best food we have eaten. This is the vibe. The bar's right there. Food here. Beach there. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Hey y'all, so we was playing volleyball earlier, and it was fun. It was real fun. Now we just chilling. We ate. We was drinking. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. Hey. Oh.
Head, shoulder, weight.
Oh.
Head, shoulder,
Wait.
Yo, he's really lit. He's really lit. He's been dancing for hours. I have not been talking to y'all, but we just vibing. Like, we're literally vibing, so I can't pull out my camera all the time. But the next time we're actually doing something, or I'm getting ready, or we're going out, I'm gonna talk to you guys. We gotta take off. Thank you. And we got daiquiri. That was nasty. Hey y'all, so it's a little later and we came to a different buffet today. So we about to eat at the buffet. This is what this camera cut off, but yeah, so we finna eat at a different buffet today. And we all got dressed though. We all put some dresses on. Jana got her dress on, Ani got her dress on, I got my dress on. And then we gonna eat, we gonna have a cute little vibe, and then we gonna take pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, we gonna figure out what we're gonna eat, and then I'm gonna show you guys our plate, but I just want to update you guys, let you guys know that we're at a different buffet and we're eating, and it's 7:53 right now. My plate, Ani's, Jana's. We eating good, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later because I'm hungry and the food's definitely better. Food's definitely better here than the other buffet, so we're gonna come here from now on because the food's a 10 out of 10. Hey y'all, so we came back to the room and I'm about to wash my lashes, wash my face off, and then we're gonna get ready to get on a boat. I got my scarf on because I hate when my hair's in my face. I still need to get mine. Yeah, another time you've been to my house, yeah, and you never got it. We're gonna use my lash shampoo. We joined our lashes, and I'm gonna talk to y'all when I look better because I kind of look crazy. See y'all later. Y'all, so it's currently time to go. And my girl wasn't playing when she said she was taking a nap, but my cousin said me taking a nap. But this is the matching bathing suit that my mom, me and my sister got that she wanna wear. And while we on this trip, we representing yellow because that was my cousin's favorite color. So yeah, we're representing a lot of yellow. So this is the biggest suit I got on, and then I just got, I don't know if y'all can see, I just got some shorts, and I got my regular sandals. And I'm trying to still get on my lashes, but it's time to go because we gotta get on the bus at 1:15. It's already 1:05, so we got 10 minutes to get out. So I'm just gonna bring my stuff with me. I'm gonna see if I can charge it somewhere. I don't know if I should do all that honestly, but my lashes is not drying, and I don't know why this thing's not working. Like, it's really not working without being plugged in. I don't understand the issue. So I'm gonna have to leave my lashes. They look kind of wet though still, but it's whatever. We gonna go. I gotta get my tripod. I got my bag on me. Let me show it to her because I'm gonna wake her up. She wasn't playing. Ani, let's go. Yo, why we just walk into this bathroom? We have not been in this bathroom the whole time we've been here, and it's just a vibe. Like, the content in here is gonna eat. Just look at this mirror. I need this mirror in my house. Cause what? This shit is amazing. We're all on the bus.
This make you feel like though. YALL. Come wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back.
Got my rum punch.
Broke off your back. 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 Tell them you got the glue. You got the glue. You got the glue.
Made it, and this is what it's giving. It's so pretty.
She said, I saw the love, the act, face fine, sweet, and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that, girl, go to the track. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Tell me who you got the glue, who you got the glue, who you got the glue.
And we outside with the yellow. You see the yellow? You see the Yo, we vibing. We didn't even get on the boat yet, but we vibing. Go, Ani!
She's a whole vibe. Trinity!
Yeah, now everybody go jump in first.
Lady Trinity!
You can bow for the Oh, we getting on the boat. Y'all want to say hi to my vlog?
Let me tell you something, life is too precious. The fact that you have limbs to breathe and an oxygen tank is not breathing for you, it is a blessing. Always understand someone's worse than you.
Yes.
You're in Montego Bay, somebody are dreaming and wish they could be here.
Yes. Amen.
We're going to take a moment of silence. Oh my God. For her and for everything that has passed in your life. Think about the goodness of God that is about to happen in 2023.
Yes.
We're only in the second month.
Yes. Hello.
He has time to do what he wants to do.
Exactly. Whoa. We get you.
I come against every plan and counterattack of the enemy. And Father, you will get the glory. We thank you for this time in Jamaica. We decree and declare that everyone that has served us, that you empower them, that you give them what they need to live a life that is pleasing unto you. I thank you tonight, God, that you have given us the ability to be in a different country and experience your power. I thank you now, God. It is in your name we pray. It is in your name we stand. And everybody shouted, amen.
Hey y'all, so we went to the room, we got freshened up, and it's 7:30 now, and we going to dinner. But we repping yellow because, like I told y'all, we here for a reason. We here for my cousin's 40th birthday. She wanted to celebrate her birthday here, but she's no longer with us, so we all came down to celebrate. So I just got this yellow outfit on, literally just for her. Like, this is literally for her. But we are gonna go eat, and then we are gonna go to the pool after. So I got a bathing suit under this, and I'm gonna catch y'all when we eating, because my hand is definitely getting tired. But this the vibe. It's a wrap for you, babe. Y'all go follow all of my social media in the description box down below, and make sure y'all watch to the end of this video, because if y'all not watching to the end of this video, what are you doing for real? Hey y'all, so it's the next day. It's around 10 o'clock right now, and as you guys seen, we kind of already got up. I just didn't really talk to you guys today, but we got up at 6:30 to watch the sunrise this morning. Yeah, we woke up at 6:30, and we've been up ever since. But ooh, I got this bathing suit on. It's from Pretty Little Thing, but I just got this cover up and some shorts on right now. So yeah, we're about to go to the pool for the first time, actually, because we haven't been to this pool yet. And we're gonna go to the swim up bar and stuff and just vibe, because today is our last day, our last full day actually. Tomorrow we leave, but we gotta leave at least by 10:30, so we still got the morning to do a little bit of things. But I just got these cute earrings on, my hair, I don't know, but I just need to get some content, and I need to take pictures for sure. So I'm gonna go and do that. We're gonna actually go right now, and I'm gonna go meet my cousin at her place. So since it is our last day, I really just want to get lit, like really lit. I need to make the best time of it, like, and I just feel like I look cute, so I gotta get some pictures in. Even our porch is just so cute. Like, everything is a vibe, everything is aesthetically pleasing. Like, all the bathrooms are aesthetically pleasing, every single bathroom. I have not posted no pictures ever since I've been here, so in an hour and a half I plan on having pictures posted on Instagram. So I'm gonna talk to you guys when we actually make it to the pool, because my cousin's taking her sweet time. I've been ready for 15 minutes, and she says she needs another 15-20 minutes. So I'm gonna go and walk over there, because that was like 10 minutes ago. So see y'all when we get to the pool. Y'all, we made it to the pool finally. We about to go to the swim up bar, which is right here, and I'm not gonna take my camera, so I'm just showing y'all now. Hopefully it's focusing. It's not focusing. There you go, y'all. That's the swim up bar. We about to go there. I'm going right now, so I'm gonna post the snaps in this vlog. So see y'all later. Hey y'all, it is many hours later, and I done took 2 naps today for like 2 hours. I fell asleep by the pool because I got too lit. Like, how did I get too lit? And it was only 2 o'clock. So I had left the pool, got some food that y'all didn't see because I was just hungry and I was lit and I was just ready to eat. I ate food, and then I had took a nap on the chairs by the pool, and then I came up to the room and took another nap on the couch, and
been chilling ever since. Now it is 7:22. It's 7:22 and I'm still chilling, but I plan on getting up at 8 o'clock to do my makeup, but that's gonna be a whole separate video. But I plan to do my makeup and then I'm gonna put on an outfit so I can take pictures, because y'all, when I tell you I have not gotten one picture to post on Instagram, it's crazy. So tonight I have to at least get 1 or 2 different pictures to post on Instagram. If I don't get 2, that's fine. I'll get 1, and then tomorrow morning I'll get another one. So see y'all when I'm dressed. And we're supposed to be going to dinner tonight because it's the last night. Half of everyone left today, and then the rest of us leave tomorrow. So there's still a few of us left on the island. So we're gonna go to dinner for the last night, and then yes, it's supposed to be a vibe. I'm gonna see you guys when I am all dressed. Bye. Hey y'all, so I done got dressed. We came down here to eat, but I didn't eat nothing but some corn. And now we're gonna take pictures. Are you ready? Okay, this is what I'm wearing. I had charged my light over here, look. My light is literally charging over there, cause I need it for my picture. This girl's tired and she gonna take my pictures. My sister's complaining she wanna go to the room. You too, good night. Bye, Orlando. Yes.
Hello everyone, you should subscribe and subscribe to this channel every time, okay? We only show love, and that's what we know, okay guys? Yes. I'm the Jamaican Orlando Bloom. This is a good friend of mine. I met her a couple weeks ago. She's amazing, she's wonderful. This is Trini. Show her some love, okay?
Thank you. Have a good one. Period. You heard what he said? Subscribe and show love. Show love. Y'all, I got some heels too because I'm not gonna wear these sandals. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you guys when we're done taking pictures. You guys, he took my pictures.
Yeah, man.
Look at them.
Yeah, man. Come to Jamaica, man, right here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Big up, big up. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, man. Jamaica, no problem, man. Come to Jamaica, get some beautiful pics.
1:37 in the morning. We're just strolling around. It's our last night here.
How do you feel about it being our last night?
Bittersweet. It's like I'm not ready to go home because this is literally such a vibe. Waking up to this and just being on the resort is such a vibe.
So we're coming back to the resort?
We're coming back to Jamaica for sure.
I got no pictures.
You want to take some?
Not in this outfit.
Cheers to Jamaica 2023. Cheers to YB, because that's who brought us here. And we really enjoyed ourselves.
We're gonna toast with some water.
Really, because this is all we need, because y'all, we was messed up earlier. I don't know.
Y'all gotta see the videos. It's actually wild. Not that.
Okay, y'all. I'll see y'all later. It's the morning time. We had already ate. I didn't want to vlog while we was eating because I've done that 1,000 times. But we are going to the pool. It's our last day. It's 9:16 in the morning. And we plan to leave the pool by 9:45 because we have to leave here at 10:30. And it's time for us to leave, sadly. We gotta go back to the cold weather, girl. I got my hair in this big bun because I don't want my hair soaking wet in the pool. We're gonna put our stuff down and we just gonna enjoy life. I'm gonna show y'all my bathing suit. This is what I got on. This, and I got these shorts. Y'all, so we are leaving. We got all our stuff with us. We grabbing last minute drinks. Me and my mom got rum punch. My sister's getting orange juice. Last look of the hotel. Had an amazing time here, but it's time to go home, back to reality, back to working. I'm gonna see y'all. I'm gonna close this video fully out when we get to the airport, but I just wanted to let you guys know that we are leaving.